On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves that flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. For a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter gang, 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 gang. Let's go, baby. Last stream. I mean, let's go. I don't know who's going to stream. Probably, there's going to be someone trying to replace me. You know these things you think about? You're like, what are they going to do? You'll be all right. Good morning, everybody. Let's jump into it. This price action sucks. What's going on, everybody? Bitcoin rolling over. Chop City. That is where we are. Good morning, good morning, good morning. 10K coffee today. I guess we need it, right? I guess we need it. We should do the 10K coffee challenge. Is that He sold panic dump, panic pump. My God, stock market taking a beating. Everything's taking a beating, guys. Jeez. Can we get some relief? I don't know. It's not for me to decide. I want relief for all of you guys. However, at the end of the day, up, down, all around, we can still make money, which is great. Bitcoin's rolling over right now. A little push up, a little rollover, coming down for the lows. Buy level given in advance. Shorts given in advance. Happy days, happy days. So, not looking too hot, guys. Not looking too hot with this Bitcoin price action. However, I'm glad to see you guys all there. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are we all doing? Good morning, Zeus. Be rad. Hopefully you're all doing well. Good morning, Milan. SMRN. DM Guy Sal. I don't know what to call you, man. I'm just going to call you Guy. It's the only thing I got out of that. Wagwan Philly Skills, my man. How you doing, bro? Good to see you guys. Lotus Style. Hopefully you're doing well. Lotus Style says dump. It's been dumping. Yeah, it's been since that sweep down here. Retracement and bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you later, alligator. In a while, crocodile, Yeah. So it's been down. It's been down. Which is fine. Which is good. Because we gave shorts in advance yesterday, right? We gave shorts to the Discord. The Discord was crushing it. We're going to do a trading challenge when we get back from vacation with everybody in the Discord. That's going to be fun. A lot of plans, man. Everything is good. Steve Hickey. Shrian, G1, Duality. Chantel, good to see you. Iron Man. I haven't done that one in a while. Good old beatbox days, man. Philly Skills, Vinny, Yarborough, Curtis Hill, gang. Good morning, bro. Good to see you. Good to see you. Down gets my Johnson up. That's awesome. Where am I going now? I'm staycation, man. I'm staying home. Yeah, but I am getting off of. I need a break, guys. I need a break. I've been grinding for years, and ask Army Piper. He knows the importance of taking a break. What's going on, Jojo? Jojo. Constantine, what up? Good to see you. Curtis Hill. The real Goku's in here. Kamehameha. What's going on, Perot? Good to see you. Crypto Lifer Triangles. What's up, man? That's a great name. All right. That's all right. Crypto Hung. Crypto is hung. What's going on, John? Good to see you, local crypto. Grayson, good morning. Good to see you, man. How you doing? Is a reversal going to happen or just dump more? I mean, don't fade the trend. Look for retracements, but don't look for reversals. And then you'll end up with a reversal. God is great. Absolutely. God is everything, man. Frost Dog. And that. Good to see you. What's up? Andy Smith. What's going on? It must be really big then, Andy Smith, if down gets your Johnson up. I mean, you've had a lot of downtime for your uptime, you know? My mates, good morning. Good to see you, Overtaker. Vintage Virtue. Good morning. How we all doing, mind mates? Now, good morning, everybody. Mob the Great. My man, how you doing? Good to see you. Thank you for being here. Vade, Traveling Studios. Good morning. David. Curtis Hill. Yeah, I am not going to Mexico anymore. I did cancel my trip. Well, my wife canceled my trip. My wife is a star, right? I didn't do jack shit. But she was able to get a full refund and get credits for our flights. So we basically, we got a travel advisory of the government of where we're staying. Like, we're staying right in, like, if this is Mexico, whatever it is, right? And you got the state, you got, what is this over here? Cozumel, right? You got Cozumel over here. And then, like, this is where, like, the shit's going down. We're right here. So, Puerto Vallarta. OC is listening in right now. He's like, you absolutely butchered that, man. Puerto Vallarta. I got to get it more Espanol. I got to get the more chica. You know what? Fuck that. You ruined my dreams of fucking... I'm mad. Tacos and quesadillas. And beaches and warmth. And now I'm going to stay in my frozen damn tundra. Minus 30 out. No, it's actually only like -2, but... Yeah. It's upsetting a bit. Not gonna lie, it's upsetting a bit. We were all packed and ready to go and excited, and you make adjustments in life, right? So, you tell God your plans. Tell God that you're going on vacation when you're a workaholic, and see what he does. That's exactly what just happened, right? That's exactly what happened. However, I will be taking a staycation now. ETH prediction today, lower. Enjoy vacation. Breaks are good. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. I think, too, it's like I've been grinding for 4 years, guys. It's a lot. It's a lot. So, Doji and Golfing continuation trade here, trying to push back. A little rollover this morning, getting everybody excited, grabbing the liquidity out of this low. Trying to push back here, though. Market Cypher's on its side. Trying to push back. Anchor trigger wave. Retest to previous lows. Continuation down. NASDAQ flat. Pretty ugly. Patience. That's what is required out of me. I was not patient yesterday. I didn't have the greatest trading day yesterday. But we live to trade another day. We will miss you. I will miss you guys. I mean, I always miss you guys, but it's important to take breaks in trading. Biddy is dead. Andrew Cameron, what's going on, bro? How's the little one doing? Go to Vegas when the rugby leagues. I'm going to Vegas for a Bitcoin conference this year. So if you want to meet up and you want to see me, you can come to the Bitcoin conference in Vegas, April 27th. I'll be there. I am visiting the Vegas world, man. We went there last year, met Piper, met a whole bunch of people. But I will be there again. Fortunately and unfortunately, most likely to just play golf, if I'm being honest. You know, these conferences are so that I can play golf. Andy Smith, what's going on? Time for a reversal. Good morning, Dardar. Good to see you. Andor, Rogine. You're not going because all the drugs are gone? I don't do those things. Puerto Vallarta. Puerto Vallarta. That's coming from a guy who says confluence, Army Piper. Let's be real here, confluence. All right, and vehicle. I love you, bro. Buck, what's going on, man? Good to see you. How are things in Texas? Oh, man, good to see you. Cubanadian, I went a bit heavier on that BTC short you gave yesterday, so I can't wait till you... You went heavy on the short I gave. I mean, it printed. Guys, if you're not in the Discord, ask Cubanadian. Where's the trade setup? Here it is. Ask the Cubanadian, man, about the trade setup. Way in advanced. Like advanced. Like you got the setup down here. All you have to do is set an alert and press the button. Yeah, man. No, it was a great trade. It was a great trade. I love when they absolutely bang like that. You see here, you get your little video updates. Oh, so easy, wasn't it? Look at this, well in advance, right? We're creeping up here. We're looking for some sort of double top in this here, 64. I gave you guys even a grandma button. Okay, this is when you know the telephones, how they have the big numbers so where the old people can hit them. I try to do that when I spoon feed, guys. Could I get some spoons in the chat for the Discord? Just spoons. That's all. Here, you can copy this one. There's some spoons. We were looking for it. We were looking up top and we were looking down here. And shaboom. Shaboozle. In advance. And printed. And then we do the spoon thing, you know? Good job, Cubanadian. Let's go. I will be spoon feeding in the background during my vacation. However, if you want access, if you can't make $80 off a 3% trade, whew, jeez. And the buy level in advance as well. I don't want to keep tooting my horn. I'm not that guy. But we said these are our levels, 62 right here. There's our buy levels. Okay, and guess where we came? We came to 62. All right, right down here. Tapped and go. So very good trade. Simple trade. Very simple continuation trade off of key levels of support and resistance, guys. I used support and resistance for that trade. That's how easy it was to set that up. But it's all about how you pull the levels and why you're looking there and the context of market structure and price action. If you don't understand price action and market structure, that's the first thing you need to focus on. Especially if you're new to trading, you need to get on a 1 minute time. The smallest time frame possible. Okay, and maybe go and get like some stupid like market structure. There's got to be free shit here. Look, market structure and order blocks by Right, everybody has an indicator now. All right, we got market structure breaks. All right, and you can throw this on here and just, get rid of the order blocks, get rid of the zigzags. Oh my God. Yeah. Maybe show zigzag. No, I don't want to see zigzag. All right, breaks, structure, right? And just understand what's going on here. Very important. You won't get anywhere in trading until you understand how to read this crap. It's very confusing at first. Eventually, it just becomes a language, right? And then you get to pick the language you prefer to speak. Like me, I'm on the Chinese, really fast speaking Chinese 3 minute time frame. What? Maybe that's Filipino. Maybe I'm trading Filipino, right? Right? It sounds like two chipmunks fighting. If you ever worked with Filipino guys, oh my God, I tell you, on the construction sites, two chipmunks fighting all the time. That's like the 3 minute. Then, you got those more chill guys. Ja, danke. Ja, schnell. The Germans, like Tony Soprano. 12-minute time frame, right? And then you get a language here, like the 30-minute, right? I'm going to stop. Maybe like people think I'm racist or something like that. We've proven the racism wrong so many times with we got a photo of my class photo when I grew up. Ask everybody about my class photo. I was the only white kid, basically. Interesting. But you got to learn how to read the candle patterns, right? The structure. Your main job when you first start is to learn how to read this. Are we gonna have a party for my last day? We could do a giveaway if you guys wanted. We could do like a membership. I mean, I'm front running your membership because I'm gonna be away, so we could do a couple memberships or something like that. I don't know if y'all deserve it. Smart Money by Lux is the best. There you go. See, people will help you out. Right? I suggest Smart Money. Yeah. Smarty Money. Concepts Lux Algo. It's free. Okay. You got order blocks and all that stuff on there too, right? I mean, I teach in Chart Prime, so I have access to all the pretty indicators they have. But I don't use the market structure one, but when I'm teaching, I do. When I'm teaching, like I can go into my Chart Prime setup here, and I can show you how market structure works. That's not really what we're here for. We're here to trade. But you can see the red is it's a clear downtrend, right? But when you go into like a 3 minute time frame, you can understand where market structure changes. Oh, look, change a character. What are we looking for now, right? And if we can identify these things, we can make money, which is critical to our success, right? So put it all together, right? Right now, we're chopping sideways at the lows, trying to hold on to 63. We could go much lower, very, very easily to go much lower. Thank you, everybody, for being here on my vacation day. When you're going on vacation, it's hard not to check out. It's hard to be like, Whatever, we're gone. We're leaving. Damn, right at the point of control, guys. I didn't think we would come to 63 this fast, but here we are, rolling over. 57's on the table today. 61's on the table today. Just rip the Band-Aid off. That's what I think. I don't know about you guys, but I think they should just rip the Band-Aid off, get it over with, wreck all the bulls. I can't believe they've given 72K a free ride down. I'm actually perplexed about that. I didn't think they would give them this free ride, but we'll see where we get to today. Rolling over here. Very sporadic, aggressive price action, okay? All right. Sorry, I had to reply to one of my coaches. Yeah, we have coaches. Seven. We have signals, guys, coaches. I mean, Discord's on fire, man. Discord's just on fire. Even in this ugly bear market, we still making money. That's the thing, right? Who put buy? Bye. What's going on, DDT? Good to see you, bro. Good morning, Rick. Down we go. Sweep and go. Ew. Here's that long. Low breathing room. Yep. Oh, my wife's calling me. My wife needs me. I'll be right back. Thank you guys for being here. Final stream, baby. Pump it.
Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame with a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame.
Man.
With a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden.
5,000.
Well, indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB.
Don't look at me for the TRB. I knew it. Is this the 5K trade? I can't look at this. Is this going to be the 5K trade? Oh my God. Hello from India. Welcome, India. Huge numbers in the last 24 hours. Billions of dollars. One day vacation for us. Sorry, guys. The wife needed help. Here we go. Good to see you, Dusty. Rick, can we expect while Alex is on? What can we expect while I'm on vacation? Not bad for day one of vacation for us. Well, maybe a staycation. It is a staycation for me. I think we can see 1900 East 1900 before dump. I haven't been looking at East because it's traded so terribly. Normally I do look at East, but I mean, you're in you're in a very macro support level that would be down here. But you roll over from here, wherever we're at, 18, we're going to 1600. Easy. Easy. 1600. Bitcoin's already there. Why not East? Yeah. 16, 17. 17 looks good. Yeah, right here. 17. I got an alert there at 1700. That's what I'd be watching. I wouldn't be touching East, though. Solana's worse. Solana's 56, man. This is where I'm going to start backing up trucks. Woof. Oh, baby. Solana does not have a lot of support down here. I'll tell you that much. Pink Box giving an advance, said the low might be in, but this does not look good for Solana either. Bitcoin rolling over this morning. Rounded highs coming back to where they started. So typically looking for a sweep of the low right now, guys. So whenever you get rounding, you revisit, and then you consolidate and drop. That's where you get the ugly cup and handle shit. Okay. Ooh, this does not look good, though. Aldo, what's going on, man? Where did you guys decide to go? Home. We're going to stay home. But I'm gonna take a break away from it all. Hello from India. What's going on, India? Hello from Canada. Igloo. Kodak, good to see you. Where's everybody from? It says most of my audience is American. I am from the Great White North. Waiting for the Asia low. Mississippi. That's cool. MISSISSIPPPI. Thank you for getting coffee. You're welcome. What exchanges did you use since you got in and out so fast? Must be low fees. I use Bitunix, my friend. Hello, some Slovenia. Good to see you. Hype on East. Macedonia. Colorado. Avalanche, you're playing good, man. Halfway down the candle, continuation up here. Into standard deviation 1. Bull div. I just want to see if it plays. It's like a 1-to-1 base hit. I just want to see if it plays. Fair value gap. Doji continuation trade. I'm not taking this, but I'm just curious. Macedonia, Brazil, Windsor, Ontario. Close enough to Detroit, man. It's the warmest place in all of Canada, basically. But it's right beside Buffalo. Brazil, Macedonia, Hollywood, Florida. That doesn't make sense to me, man. Thailand. Gotta watch out for those manly thighs. They can be deceiving. Dubai. What's going on, Dubai? I should move to Dubai for cheap taxes, shouldn't I? Hey, fair income. I didn't say it. Sydney. I lived in Eskinville. In Sydney, mate. Fair income. I lived in Sydney. Apologies for what happened at Bondi, man. I loved Bondi. South Africa. Lithuania. Alabama. Whenever you see Alabama, how many times Vintage Virtue? That must get so annoying, man. I'm from Alabama. You know, do people just start into song right when they see that? I bet you they do, man. I do. I'm that guy. I'm the annoying asshole. What's going on, Greasy Paul? Good to see you, man. I liked Greece. I went to Santorini for a holiday once. That was good. Cape Town. I'm Indian, living in Dubai. Let's go, Goku. Red Deer, Revelstoke. Let's go. Revelstoke's good skiing, man. Red Deer as well. Glaswegian. We have a Glaswegian in here. Watch out, man. Mouthful of marbles. Aye. I love Scotland, man. If you guys had maybe 50 more days of sun, I'd be in Scotland. 100%. If you guys dump it, baby. Yeah, about 40, 50 more days of sun, and I'd be in Scotland for sure. I think you guys got about 4.5 days of sun there. Oh, baby, dump it. Send it to 0, man. Here's this big sweep in the morning. Wow. SFP of the low. Did we get news? I'm long. We'll take off half there. Market order. Gotta be quick. Damn, Daniel. I'm going to go for a coffee now, guys. Okay? What do you think? Big sweep back into the highs, man. Wow, what was that? It's like Bitcoin sharded, baby. Damn, Daniel. They're gonna come for me, aren't they? They are. They're coming for me. No. Hey, man, I'll take your $50. We were looking for the sweep. I was looking for the sweep. I don't know if you guys were looking for the sweep. I ain't touching this now. Guys, what the hell was that? There was no news. This is the thing, man. If you're not using good risk management in this environment with low liquidity, you're going to get wrecked. That's just how it goes. My God. Dump and pump and then dump again. Disgusting. That's absolutely grim, mate. Can't believe we have a Glaswegian in here. How many? The amount of sun. The amount of sun in Scotland's embarrassing. How many days of sun in Scotland? See, when I lived there, the 45 40, that makes sense. When I lived there, I love Scotland, but it's depressing because it's always it's always overcast, man. And the thing is, it's like it's damp, so you add like a whole bunch of mental. That's why they're all, they're all tough bastards. I love them all. I'd be there. Golf, good. I like the weather there, like it, but it's the sunshine, man. That'll get you. 45 days. And then you go to where I am. I'm near Calgary. 333 days, guys. Where I live. So it's freezing as fuck. You'll shrivel dink and raisin balls like you are cold. But 333 days of sun a year, guys. That is called the vitamin D, baby. Even though you don't actually get vitamin D when it's cold, because I don't know, there's something to that, but there's always sunshine in Calgary. Okay? That's sunshine, baby. But it's funny, in Scotland, I used to live in Morningside, and there's this place called the Meadows. They even have like a little mini golf thing there. It's near the colleges in Edinburgh. And when the sunshine would come out, you would be like, oh my God, there's actually a big population here because everybody's out. Everybody. All right. Buyers stepping up right now. Buyers stepping up right now, trying to push price up. Just looks weak, guys. Just looks really weak. It's like trapping longs kind of deal. I wouldn't touch it if I were you. No trade for me. SFP of the low, trying to push back. We still got downtrending momentum here, so it's like it's either it bounces or it doesn't. First crack is kind of the best one, you know? If it's gonna go, right? Pushing back here. Is anybody long? Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. I'd love to know. I like congratulating you guys on your victories. This looks like it's gonna push. Go Bitcoin, go! Nice pushback here. Sweep and go. Fair income. Nice push. Let's see if there's ones in the chat here, guys. 2s, 1s. I mean, it's a good sweep of the low. The Golf Tavern. There's no vitamin D because you're wearing so many clothes, yeah. Polish and Ireland, you should come for your holidays here. You could build us an ark and while you're here. Yeah, I heard the rain right now is really bad in Ireland. I have some friends in Ireland. Alex, why don't you trade stocks and commodities? Because I guess I'm married to Bitcoin and Solana. They're kind of my bread and butter, man. And I try not to cheat on my girls, you know? Good to see you, Randy. How you doing? Trump will speak later. Yeah, 9 p.m. or something weird like that. If I see a single bit of you looking like you're working on your staycation, I'm sawing your golf clubs in half. Yeah, my wife has threatened me too. My wife has definitely threatened me. You are not opening the charts. Now she doesn't talk like that. North of Tirana, Sydney, Australia, Arizona, Lithuania, Italian, Philippines. Awesome. Brazil, Turkey, Iowa, Hungary. Sweet, man. Hungarian. See ya. See ya, Anyo means hi, mom. Don't ask me how I know that. Thailand, Trump. Azores, Russia. Look at the push here, guys. Nice sweep of the low. Nice sweep of the low and go. Sweep of the low and go. No trades for me, guys. I'm just chilling. One trade. I mean, I got long, but I wasn't looking to hold it. I just wanted to take my money and run. What up, Wave Cypher? Good to see you, brother. Nadim, good to see you from Jordan. Nadim wants me to visit him in Jordan. I ain't going anywhere. Repping the East. Let's go. Philly Skills. I wonder where you're from. New Zealand? I worked with a couple Kiwis, man. Good people. London. Londoner. He's a Londoner. Awesome, man. Wow, you're fast. That's what my wife said. I think they're trapping traders right now. I think it's gonna dump again. I don't want to scare you guys. Are we pumping today? We'll see. YouTube knows I watch you every weekend morning and they're still hiding my stream. That's a shame, man. That's a shame, but what can you do, Dave? They just don't want everybody to get the alpha. And I don't either, right? Like, your long would have been good where I entered. I know. But it's wickety wick. Yeah, you know, Canada too is like total censorship, man. It's like it's getting bad. It's getting bad. And I talk a lot of smack here, so they probably don't promote it because of the amount of shit I talk. I will update the Discord. My wife said I can do it twice a day. That's it. Pootsie? Yeah. Yeah, I do. Blink twice if you're under duress. Polygamist, Alex? I'm not into multiples there, Rick. I'll stick with the one. She's plenty, man. She's everything I could have and more, man. My wife is incredible. I'm spoiled. I don't know. I'm punching big time, guys. Dave Digital met my wife. He'll tell you. I don't know how I tricked her, Dave. I don't know how I tricked her. Where did I change my trip to? I didn't change my trip. I got a full refund from Expedia. So shout out to Expedia for the full refund and a full money back for like credits for WestJet. So I'm allowed to fly somewhere else. Right? Your smack is pretty good, I must admit. Thanks for being here, Rick. I appreciate you, bro. Little wick test right here. Good morning, Joel. Thank you for being here. The only requirement, guys, is a good morning. You don't have to like. It's 432 people in here. 107 likes. We do shut up when you get to 200 likes, so that would be cool. If you are new here, welcome. Thank you for being here, supporting the channel. Discord short. We shorted it. Okay, short was given in advance. Join the Discord. This is just me spoon feeding. Okay, I like spoon feeding the Discord, but gave you guys a short from 64,870 last night. Everybody made lots of good money. Beautiful. Never financial advice, but we do have 8 amazing traders in here with signal setups, constant live streams, lessons. It's incredible. We do live trading as well on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Today we'll go into the Discord right after the stream, and we will continue trading. Okay, showing the trades, no delay, all that fun stuff. So consider joining maybe when I'm back, whenever. However, if you do want to use the Bitunix code, I battled for this deal. It's a very good deal. I said take away my commission as much as you can to give them the best deal. So Bitunix VIP 3 for 6 months, okay? With all the deposit bonuses and the trading volume bonuses. You support the channel that way. The link is pinned in the comments above here. Respectfully, your wife is very hot, and beyond that, she's a rock. I don't know how you did it, Alex. So don't blow it. Absolutely, Dave. At least he's being respectful, right? At least Dave's being respectful here. Double bottom, push back. I like Solana here. I think I'm gonna consider a long here on Solana. Yeah, let's go. Wow. Nice push, Solana. Okay. Early in the morning. I liked Solana there. I was looking for a pullback continuation trade. See if we can fly here. Up $50, stop loss to entry. Look for continuation. I like the pullback, wick test, retest of previous highs on Bitcoin. See if we can get some more squeeze out of the juice here on Solana. Yeah, we're looking to come all the way up here, really. We'll see if she wants to push, baby. Let's see. Thank you, everybody, for being on the stream. Yeah, double bottom, bull div, continuation. It's got to change structure here. Otherwise, it's coming lower. Bitcoin looked good here, though. Wick test, continuation, trying to push through. Oh, stopped out on Solana. Okay. Another $50, guys. Interesting. Might get some consolidation chop here before it makes a decision on direction. Yeah. This guy came back and stopped me out. Little bath. That's all right. No trades now. I thought we'd get continuation here. And we might still get continuation. I think we're pretty overextended to the downside, and this is nice on like a higher term time frame. Sorry about the etch-a-sketch on my my charts here, everybody. You guys got to keep you guys on your toes, okay? Big bullish engulfing candle here. 12-minute bull div, right? So this looks juicy here, right? However, needs to push back and really claim this high up in here. So right now it's about waiting. Isn't it always about waiting, guys? Yeah, so we both downtrending momentums here. So in order for Bitcoin to bottom here, I need to see it kind of get going. That's where I start to look for trades more like this, right? Until then, quick scalps, pay yourself, right? I'm not looking to hit a home run. Slow and steady. Before the vacation. Don't give it away before the vacation, Alex. Slow and steady. That was some aggressive price action though. What a dump. So be well aware of what the market's doing, right? Like how to participate safely, because they hunting, right? They don't want liquidity. If they're putting in a bottom, right? Let's think about it. Right now, they're probably trying to put in some sort of low. They're not going to leave leverage behind. It's going to be very difficult to be in a high leveraged position for a swing trade. Except that, trade as if that's the narrative, right? If you can do that, then you can be successful, right? But it's not easy. It's not easy. It hasn't been easy trading lately. If you survived or you're positive and you're up, I mean, I'm up for the month, but I'm not up for the last couple weeks, right? So I've been doing okay, but managing risk is the game, man. That is the game. Physical blockers, put things in front of you, stop yourself from over trading or losing too much money. As OC says, what's the best way to not lose money is by winning. It's very simple. Dave Digital hanging out, rise into the street. Yeah, that's the one. I'm leaning bearish for a drop to the 1 week 200 moving average. Okay. Yeah, I'll probably do a giveaway at the end of the stream for, I don't know, a membership or something. Buenos dias. Heck, we could do it right now. I don't know whose channel we should pump. I don't know whose channel. I never pump my own channel. Have you guys noticed that? I think I've done it once. I've only pumped my channel once. After 4 years, I always go to other people who I'm friends with. No, because they're cool. Good peoples, man. Very good peoples. Here, let's pump Kyle. Let's pump Kyle. Kyle likes being pumped, man. He's into pumping.
Hey, how's it going, guys?
All right, Kyle, my fellow Canadian trader. He's a great trader. One of the traders in our Discord has his own channel. Like his video. Comment Otter Gang. Even if you're a Discord member, you can go over here. You can win some USDT as well. Go over here, comment Otter Gang. We'll do the giveaway today. This video. Here you guys go. Here's the link to the video. Comment Otter Gang. Gang, gang, gang. And we'll do the giveaway. I would really appreciate to give you a membership if you do win. He's near Ottawa. And 450 people in here and only 130 likes. Yeah, Cuban it's wild, man. People don't like tickling the like button for me. I guess I don't provide any value. I don't take trades live. I just sit here and talk smack and make fun of people, which is half true. But we'll do that giveaway. Go over there, comment Otter Gang. Subscribe to Kyle. Say, Kyle, you're so handsome. Let's see if we can get him to 730 subscribers. Go and subscribe to Kyle. He's a great trader. 730. Come on.
Hey,
Subscribe.
how's it going, guys?
Come on, a little bit more, guys. Those are rookie numbers. Let's do it. Please subscribe, or I'll make you prove that you're subscribed to Kyle if you win. I'll make you prove it.
Hey, how's it going, guys?
Stop saying, hey, how's it going, Kyle? It's too early for that shit. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Better go and comment. What is this shit? I want comment picker. Yeah, comment picker. Free YouTube comment picker. I don't want to pay for this. Why is this giving me issues? Comment picker. Oh, there it is. All fixed. I was zoomed in, guys, like an absolute knob cheese. 20 seconds, 5, get comments. Amount of unique comments, too high? Don't tell me that. It's not too high. Upgrade to premium. All right, well, we're going to just have to randomly do a countdown, and we'll have to yeah, we'll put the mouse on random, and we'll see who we get here. Okay. You guys all better be commenting. I'm trying to load all the comments here. Wherever the mouse stops is where I'm going. I hope it lands on me. And Andre here. Andre Vivers. Congratulations, bro. Andre Vivers, whatever your name is. Otter gang. Boom, 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 boom. Congratulations. GG's in the chat for Andre Viviers. GG's. Okay. Congratulations, man. Come over to the Discord and I'll hook it up, man. You'll be hooked up for life. No, not for life. We're going to do we'll give you a couple months membership, man. Just come over, prove your ID. If you're already in the gang and I don't know your YouTube name, sorry. Thanks for being here supporting the channel. Congratulations. Thanks, Alex. You're welcome, bro. Thanks for commenting and supporting fellow creators on their journey to becoming YouTube legends. Thanks, guys, for subscribing to Kyle. Watch that video, too. It's a good video. You'll learn something. Invest in yourself. A little pushback here. Okay, coming into the top of the hour. I need some coffee. I need more coffee. I'm gonna grab a quick coffee. Quick coffee. We need to pump this thing.
Oh, the gang. Let's go. Lord of the King Peter in the building. We identify as pretty rich. I said we identify as pretty rich. Pump it. Push it up. Pump it. Push it up. Don't be a nail, pump it up. Coffee pump, coffee long. Pump it. Push it up. V-Web slap. Give it the slap for rally. Soy boy Lana. Off the floor. Ray Orbison. Kicking down the door. Click buttons. Make money. Click buttons. Make money. Make money. Don't top blast. Don't top blast. Take the money and run. Pay yourself fast. Don't top blast. Don't top blast. Take the money and run. Pay yourself fast. Pump it. Pump it. Push it up. Pump it. Pump it. Push it up. Don't be a nasty
go, baby.
Better
It's
sit low when the
Friday.
chips low. Pocket fat, watch a Wally grow. Fit the party like a disco. Stay true to the digital.
To the digital.
Stay true to the digital.
Come on, guys. It's my last day streaming.
Get to the chopper.
Can we get some party hats in the chat?
What does he do?
What does he do? Stop whining, give me chopper.
Who is
Give
your
the chopper.
and what does he do? Right, pump it. Pump it. Pump it. Push it. Push it. Making crypto honest again. Making crypto honest again. All the gang, gang, gang.
Let's go. Stop music. It's annoying. Sorry, Zeus. Welcome to the AlexOCrypto show. We're here to have a good time and a long time. I mean, 4 years with no vacation, guys. And here we are. Still going. I don't even know if I'm able to take a vacation. We'll see. My wife will kill me if I don't. We lost 40 people in the stream, which is great. I love the it's like shakeout, right? You get shake it's called weak hands, right? I mean, YouTube ain't promoting me. I'm not promoting me. I feel like this is a sacred stream, you know? Like, the less people, the better. Right? Like, there's power in scarcity. Are we not trading Bitcoin or what? Are we not trading Bitcoin? Nice push for Biddy here. That's a good sweep. We could take a long on Solana here, potentially. Just rolling over a little bit here. Let's see how Biddy reacts off this rollover. Just choppy, guys. Very choppy. Nasdaq pushing up. No, topping out a little bit here. Looking a little bit weak still. Bitcoin still looking weak. I like this sweep, but no. We wait. I'd like to see Solana rotate to the highs. That's what I would like to see before we dump. But I'm not taking a trade like this kind of deal. It's not worth the juice, you know? Might consider this if we see strength in Bitcoin. I am watching it down here. We do not see strength in Bitcoin. We see sellers stepping up right now and a failure to push. I'm watching it on my lower screen, if you're wondering. Bitcoin continues to roll over. Nasdaq coming down now. Warning. All right. Thank you, everybody, for being here. It's the top of the hour. Bitcoin continues to bleed out, looking nasty this morning. Sweep at the low. This was very violent, so be aware, guys. It's it's not nice. Price action is not nice. It's not your friend. It's not going to help you today. If anything, stay away. Uptrending momentum here. Nasdaq trying to push. Bitcoin trying to hold this low that it just swept. I don't see many buyers stepping up right now. This does not look like bullish continuation. This looks like rolling over, shorts building up, pushing price lower. That's what I see. That's what I see. So, however, if we're going to bounce, this would be kind of where it is. Solana at a key level, trying to rotate to the highs, lower part of the region, trying to push up. Push back here for Bitcoin. I kind of like this here. Anchor trigger wave, potential for pushback. Buyers defending the low here. Not fully, but trying. Where's VWAP here on Sol? Yeah. We'll see how we gap here. I like this. I like this if we can push back here. Considering a long on Solana. It's just chop, 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 right? It's got to push here. This would be the one. Wick, continuation. Wick, continuation. Follow through. Let's go, Solana. Push Bitcoin. TP1 hit. Stop loss to entry. I went a little bit heavier on this one because of the pullback in the wicks. I like the setup. Up 160. See if we can rotate to the highs. I mean, I like it up here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, hanging out here. I'm glad we shook out all those weak hands, man. I'm glad we shook out the weak hands. Just a little bit of patience. GG's in the chat. Thank you, V-Monitor. God bless you, bro. Thanks for always showing up and saying kind words, man. I do appreciate you. And that's the price action we're dealing with today, guys. Right there. That's the price action. Right? Like I said, like in this environment, you got to take trades like ridiculous stop losses, and it's typically not worth the squeeze. 170 bucks, okay? 50, 50. 50, 50, 170. Okay? So we're up 270, basically, to start the stream. Happy days. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. This looks good on Bitcoin. Like, I like this here. Higher low. Doji, hammer, continuation, right? So you would look for, now you would look for consolidation and then continuation, right? That's what I would look for. I don't know about you. You can do whatever the hell you want. Solana's shaking me out. Dirty candle. You dirty girl. It's all right. 182 likes, guys. Wild. Defiant, what's going on, man? How you been? How you doing? Good to see you. King Solomon. I can't justify trading this shite price action. I tend to agree. Exhaustion, yeah. Well, what we can see here, like the short's the play here, but we can see here, this is just rolling over, right? So, but your trade setup has to look like something like this, right? Like ridiculous. So I'm inclined to look for the push and then the short, right? That's why I've been taking a couple longs here, because I'm more inclined to look for this first and then the short. That's my thinking anyways. I've already overtraded today, 3 trades. I think CVD is showing excitation and selling. Well, if we look at CVD here, right, we can see on the 1 minute Sol, CVD is indecisive here. Higher lows, continuation, trying to push out here. But shorts are building as well. If we look at CVD on a higher term time frame, we can see that, you know, even though price is pushing up here, we got absorption at the lows. Okay. But we still have lower lows all throughout, right? So you see a little bit of buyers stepping up here, but not really. Same with Sol, right? Open interest increasing, CVD decreasing, right? So shorts are stepping up. More shorts than you can see shorts increasing here as well. So everybody trying to send this to zero is what I'm trying to say. But it's just once these shorts let's say the shorts go for their coffee break, you get this, right? That's where we want to get short, right? That's why we gave the setup in advance in the Discord here last night, right? We were down here pushing out, and I gave the short right here for everybody. If you're not in the Discord, in advance, I mean, absolute banger. Best Discord in all crypto. Facts. We'll see how we go here. The only thing we need to add to the Discord is maybe the Piper plan DCA strategy. So maybe we'll have to convince him on just becoming maybe we can convince Piper on a merge. Maybe I'll work on that on my holidays. You hear that? I said I'm going to work on my holidays again. If we smash the likes on 2 accounts, do we get extended membership? I don't know. I don't think that it works that way, guys. Alex, you're the man. May God bless you and your family. God bless you, Solomon. Did you take that trade, man? I know you're trying to get into like some swing long positions, and then I kind of gave that short. So I know you've been trading well lately, though. I'm 35, Castro. I'm 35, turning 36 on FOMC day. Born in 1990. The last of a dying breed, in my opinion. I threw rocks. I ate mud. I had a pager. That's how I date myself. I used a Pearlie's map book and a pager. I grew up in Toronto, downtown Toronto. We would ride our bikes around the city and come home when the streetlights came on, and good times, man. Good times. I lived in low-income housing. What is it? 56 Metcalf Street, Toronto. I lived on, was it 56 Metcalf? No. I lived on, there's Metcalf. Nice little neighborhood tucked into Toronto. I was right beside a mansion, though, at my house. Let me see if I can find it on Google Maps. Oh, my God. Memory lane, eh? Metcalf Street. Oh, there's a scaffold up in my building. Yeah, this is where I grew up. Yeah. This was like a gymnastics place, church converted. This is my building here. I used to live on this building right here. This was where my room was as a kid, right up in here. That's our balcony. Okay. Big pot smoker down here, and a lady with a dog and a wooden leg lived above us. Could you imagine? Her name was Velda. I'll never forget her. Bitch. wooden leg, and a dog. Imagine upstairs, every time she walking, right? And my room was right here. My mom's room was on the other side. Single mom growing up. I used to sneak out. This window opens out, and I used to sneak out down the fire escape and go and play with my friends and hang out. And then there's this mansion beside us. Look at this. Look at this house. Swinging dick house. Look at this house, man. You grow up in like a building, and then you look at this house beside us, man. Crazy. Some rich ass people lived here. And then if you go south, you're in the hood. And if you go north, you're in the hood. So right in Cabbagetown, you have Regent Park, which is the hood, like the hood. And then you have St. Jamestown, which is the hood. Let me just go over here and show you how hood it is. It's pretty hood. Look at this, man. Projects. The most densely populated area in all of Canada. This is where we used to go and fight kids. Ride our bikes, talk smack. There's one of the hoods, St. Jamestown, and then the other hood, Regent Park on Sumac, man. We used to go to Sumac. Look at this hood. This is like in Drake songs. If you know, you know. Sumac Street, down on Girard. You get out of Cabbagetown and you cross into this. This is look at the projects, man. So that's where I live, man. That's where I lived growing up. Regent Park, St. Jamestown. All my friends were in Regent. Good times, man. Good times. I remember the fire stream when you took a deep sleep and totally crushed the markets that day, so can't imagine what 2 weeks vacation with the family and wife. God bless. Thank you, Lucky Deal. That's not a hood. Regent Park is not a hood. I mean, you had to in order to play, Google it up, man. Regent Park, man. You think this is not the hood? You crazy, man. This is the epitome. North side, south side. In order to play basketball in there, you had to go and take this bag to the guy who's at the coffee time and bring back $20. That's how you were allowed to play basketball in Regent. I don't know. You tell me. At least it was sunny, right? Okay, choppy here. And we're here to trade. We're not here to debate if the hood is more hood than your hood. I mean, we're here to get out of the hood if we're in it, you know? When did I discover crypto? I was looking to actually invest and improve my financial education. And I came across an Elon Musk, Jack Dorsey video, a scam video, and Mike Saylor. Complete scam video on YouTube. And that's how I found Bitcoin. Terra Luna Collapse is where I started trading. And haven't looked back since. Solana's dying. I'm glad we're out of that. I'm very glad we're out of that long. Bitcoin's rolling over too, man. This does not look good. We got 10 minutes till market opens. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 460 people in here. Thanks for all the well wishes for my vacation. Someone's going to try and jump right into my time slot, and that's fine. I hope they succeed. I hope they have a spoon, though, They don't require how hungry you guys are. They don't understand how starving the morning gang is. And if they don't have a big spoon to feed you all, I'm sorry. I'm going to give trade setups and ideas every morning for the gang, though. Every morning I'll give you guys actual, like, legit setups where I'd be looking for trades. A little bit extra sauce because I'm not streaming. NASDAQ rolling over. Expecting gap down for SPY. We'll see how it opens up. We got 9 minutes till market open. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 3 trades. I've overtraded already today, which is fine. Up basically $300. And just chilling. $300 a day, guys. Is a beautiful, beautiful. I mean, what is that? 75,000. We've done the math here multiple times. 250 trading days a year, right? 50,000, $75,000, guys. That's like quit your job money, right? That's quit your job money. Right? Quit my job and press buttons. That's it. Thanks for being here, Mojo Jojo. I only cheat on you with Casper. I love Jason Casper, man. God bless him. He's an incredible person. I learned a lot from JC. JR can get up. You know JR is just going to get up later and do his stream then. Andy will fill us in. Yeah, Andy, Bitcoin census. Did I play Duck Hunt on Nest? Come on, man. I walked up to the TV every time and clicked the button. I didn't really play Duck Hunt. I cheated. No one ever tried to use... The gun was so inaccurate that you would end up just walking up to the screen and shooting the ducks. Let's be real. I quit all my other traders for you. You and I are kind of exclusive now. Ooh, golden child. God bless you, man. We'll see you on vacation. Thank you, golden child. No, I appreciate that. I think you can... I don't want to sound bad, but you can get bad information from people. If you're searching everywhere for an answer, there's no perfect answer. There isn't no perfect answer. There's only people who are profitable over time and people who are not. Right? People who have strategy and people who don't, right? People who have proof of what they've done and deposits into their bank, right? And living off of a wage. I've done that for over 2.5 years, right? So that's it. That's the only thing I will say. So if you're going to go and get all this, like, I mean, anybody can draw some squiggly, fluffy shit on a chart. How are they trading? Right? I try. Life. Oh, man. Triangle's killing me here. Eventually, after you have the knowledge, the answer lies within. I agree. However, if you're flip-flopping between a whole bunch of different shit, you're going to end up trading like shit. You got to, in my opinion, you got to focus on developing a strategy based around rules, based around success, risk management, and compounding over time. But if you're trying to be a 12-minute intraday trader and then you're trying to scalp and then you're trying to swing trade, you end up getting slapped. I love the I turned 500 to 1 for 12 million YouTubers. Why they still in their mom's basement? Yeah, exactly. Exactly. I mean, there's so many strategies. Like I used to have like EMA strategies when I first started. I found what works for my style and how I trade. My main focus, and this is what you need to do, is you need to sit down with yourself and say, what do I want to do for my job as a trader? For me, it was, I want to come to the charts. I want to spend 4 hours maximum. I want to scalp maybe 3 to 5 trades a day, and I want to make $300 and be done. And then I want to have the rest of my day to do whatever the fuck I want. And I've focused solely on creating that strategy and that setup and that mindset for 4 years. Obsessively. A little bit crazily obsessively. I never charged for the Discord. The Discord was always free for 2.5, 3 years. And I was profitable living off my trading before I charged for a Discord. Now it's like, okay, if you want the goods, there's so many fucking scammers out there. You gotta pay. But that's the thing. It's like YouTube, paid Discord, use my exchange fees, and then they're not teaching you how to make a living off of this. They're just there talking shit and getting you to click their buttons so that they can make money off of your commissions and they can make money off of you buying whatever. And that's cool. That's the YouTuber's game. And I totally agree. There's some good ones out there, but are they trading? If you want to be a trader, be a trader. This looks bullish. Inverse head and shoulders continuation up, trying to push here. Looks probably more obvious on the 1 minute. I really don't like where Solana is right now, though. Solana is very, very gross. This is a big tell for me that this might just roll over. So no trade. We got 2 minutes till market opens. NASDAQ's rolling over hard into open as well, which tells me we're going to potentially sweep into imbalance, which is down here. I'm looking for NASDAQ to come here today. Minimum. And they're giving you they're creating liquidity on the way up into market open. It's almost obvious. You see all the shorts building up here, guys? Look at this. So you got Sol, look, shorts, CVD decreasing, right? Increased CVD on Bitcoin. So why is Solana getting absolutely rug shitted on right now? Oh, makes you want to think, right? This could be a fake out to the upside, right? So patience here. Let them zig and zag right now. Like we said, we want to look for shorts up in here. If we get the opportunity. If it gives us whatever we want to see, right? Couple of good trades this morning, quick in and outs, but very volatile, choppy market. Patience here is going to be critical for our success. Let's just be patient. I have amazing TA, but I think I'm just shite at trading. Yeah. No, it's just it's practice of execution, LJ. So whatever you're trading with, cut it in half, quarter it, and just execute. That's what you have to do. You're hesitating, and you're rushing and you're chasing. So execute your trades that you were gonna take with less size and get confidence in your setups. That's it. And be disciplined not to take the trades if they're not there. That's the hardest part. You come to the chart, you want to just click the fucking button, right? I get it. I do it. I do it sometimes. But I do it less than most, right? You got to do it less than a lot of people. Here we go, baby. Market is open. Flat gap. No big gap here this morning for the SPY. We'll see if we do want to continue to push on the SPY. Looking like higher lows. Continuation here. NASDAQ rolling over Bitcoin. Trying to push. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live stream. The last live stream until March 8th. We're taking 10 days holiday. First time in 4 years. Thank you for being here and supporting the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We're here every morning, Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10:15, typically. But we're taking a little break, guys. So thank you for being here, supporting the channel. A little push here on Biddy, trying to get going. Very aggressive rollover yesterday. Solana trying to get bids. Doesn't look so. Okay, we'll see what we get today. Thank you for supporting the channel. Smacking the like button. Subscribing if you're new. We did not hit 20,000 before the vacation. So we'll have to come back just to get that 20K subs. I don't give a shit about subs, really. I like that there's just 500 people hanging out here trying to trade, man. God bless you guys. Let's see what we get. Little push back here. Trapping longs. Retest our previous lows. Failing to get above this area here around 63,000. Let's see if it can push and get going, or if we're going to get a rejection. Considering shorts after liquidity sweeps. So if we come up for these highs in here, definitely interested. We'll see how the NASDAQ behaves today, but liquidity, baby, all the way up here. So we could come back for that and then damp. Yikes. There it is. Nasty, nasty, nasty. Here comes the NASDAQ. Here comes the SPY. Here comes Bitcoin. Solana. Damn. Nice sweep. Bye, Solana. Nice knowing you. Nice knowing you. NASDAQ. Arrivederci. Buonasera. Ciao for now. Sweep and go. No touchy. That's what this is. No touchy. A little bounce back push. Nice sweep. Continuation up. No trade here. Thank you guys for being on the live, hanging out here. See if we do want to go here. No bounce here on Solana. Still rolling over. Bitcoin rolling over. NASDAQ rolling over. Let's get short Solana. I'm short Solana. Let's see if it wants to roll over here. I'll take that off there. Stop loss to entry. Just quick scalp here. Follow through. There it is. Hit. Stopped out. $50 again. A quick little one. Looking for follow through, roll over here. NASDAQ dying. SPY dying. Easy peasy. Quick scalp. That's another 50. Bitcoin trying to hold on here. Yeah, now we're coming for the lows. Well, we took that gap pretty quickly there on NASDAQ, guys. Trying to hold here. Nice head and shoulders here on the S&P 500. This looks like doomsday, my friends. See you later, SPY. See you later, guy. Ciao for now. Rolling over. Quick scalp on Solana. Continues to roll over. I don't know if you guys are still short, but damn. Bye, Solana. Nice knowing you. Like I said, the next key level for Solana's $50, guys. $56. It's crazy. It's a 25% dump. Critical to hold here. Considering a long here, nice pushback here on Solana. Take profit one hit. Stop loss to entry. On to the next one. I can't even show the stream here. Up 150. Flipped long on Solana. Reclaim of the range. Stopped out again. Jeez. Well, I guess this is like a scalping clinic. There's another 150. 300, 350. Yeah, up 500 for the day. There we go. 500 for the day. Keep the doctor away. I like the sweep on Solana and the pushback. However, if we don't see any relief on the NASDAQ and the SPY and this head and shoulders dumps, which it looks like it is, I think we're going a lot lower, guys. A lot lower. Damn, good close on Solana. Down it goes again. Down it goes again. Bitcoin's choppy here. 62K is the next level. The thing with Bitcoin here is that we do have macro support at 62 to 63,000, okay? So could potentially hold here. Solana on the other hand, here comes the NASDAQ for the lows. The SPY sweep and bounce, but potential bounce here. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 550 people on the live stream. God bless you guys. Thank you for being here. Supporting the channel. Vacation time, man. Vacation time. $500 for the day, man. I think we shut it down. Go on vacation with some money. Go and buy myself some steak tonight or something. Look at that push, man. Go, Bitcoin, go. There's the NASDAQ pushback. And the SPY as well. Put a 1 in the chat if you are long. Let's go. Push. Push. Let's go, baby. Beautiful. Beautiful long. You guys got stones. Let's go, baby. Congratulations, guys. Congratulations. You guys got big cojones. Absolute. Big, super cojones. My God. Let me in the Discord. It's freezing out here. You just got to come in and show me the ID and I'll get you in, man. Well, 5 trades today, guys. $50, $50, $50, 150 and 150, which equals 450. Solana lana long, Solana lana long, long, oh yeah. Solana lana long. This is the short zone. This is our short zone for Biddy. I ain't touching it. You guys can touch it. You know Dave Digital's touching it. He can't keep his grubby paws off anything. Oh, man. Push it, baby. Okay, all you guys top blasting right now. Do you need me to play the top blast song one more time? Top Blasters Otter gang.
Yeah. Better sit low when the chips low. AlexOCrypto fit the party like a disco. Van bass like my wallet. Yo, stay true to the digital. All the gang.
Zeus,
Let's go.
we'll give you a
Wait
break,
for
man.
a minute just to get a coffee. Came back
I'll
to
see
the
you when I get
charts and
back
the
from
price
vacation,
moved up.
Zeus.
Saw
Have a
big
wonderful,
green candle
wonderful
pushing through
day.
the V-Walk. Aggressive move up, so I didn't want to stop. I felt the flow
I needed to
rising,
time
I
out
felt the
someone.
itch. Thinking I was pre-rich, about to get rich. I ignored the bearish Steve on the market side for B just to degenerate. Yeah, that was me.
Otters in
I
the
didn't
chat.
wait for the retest so the golden pocket tap. I just mark it on it in, walk right into the trap. I'm top blasting, yeah, I'm blasting
We
the
used to
top.
get in
Enticing
trouble for
buyers
spamming
and before the big drop. Top blasting.
Shout out to Frankie
Buying high,
Candle.
selling low. Direct by wick, put on a gong show. Top blasting. I didn't pay myself. Now I'm round tripping trades, bad for my health. I pressed the green button when I should have clicked sell. Top blasting the high straight to trade in hell. Now I'm
Big
sitting
D-shaped
in my
recovery.
wagon chair every year, feeling kinda sick. Got the Hershey squirts, man, the candle was quick. Market makers on my order, that dirty rascal.
Liquidity.
Under my stop loss, now it's a hassle. I used to be a carpenter, dropping spikes all day. Now I'm clicking buttons, throwing gains away. It's absolutely grim, man.
VWAP.
The price action is trash. Sure, waiting for the sweep to secure
No
the
trade.
cash. I got tilted, started spiraling, losing my head. Should've closed the laptop and gone back to bed. Don't be an underpambe, don't be a douche canoe. You gotta wait for the setup to come to you. Be the turtle, slow and steady, that's the race. Don't let the green candles punch you in the face. I wanted to slap a lily, the big V-wap slap. Instead I got chopped up in a bull trap, making crypto want us to jam. That's the plan, but top blessing trades wasn't part of the brand. Learn from my mistakes, join the Discord fam. Don't buy the top or you'll get in the jam. AlexOCrypto, talking fat when the chips low. Stay true to the
Nice
digital.
slap.
All the gang, vibes.
Breakout retest with test here. Good morning, Daniel. I'm shaking out weekends this morning. Thank you everybody for being here and top blasting. Now you're all about to get liquidated. Hate those songs. That's alright. The now. I think you'll be alright. VWAP slap. Breakout retest to previous highs. Continuation up. Thank you, Andre. The music is so loud. It gets the people going. 1 minute block here. One minute block, retest, continuation up, not touching it. Overextended. NASDAQ cooling, SPY, drooling. They wrecked everybody with this head and shoulders. They wrecked everybody here. How many people took the short here, you think, this morning on the SPY? They wrecked everybody. Look at that. What a bunch of a-holes, man. They wrecked everyone. SPY's ripping. Considering a long. NASDAQ pushing, yeah. Bitcoin pushing. Trying to get above VWAP. Bitcoin struggling a little bit here, guys. No trade. NASDAQ looks really good. Same with the SPY. Big recovery. Okay, let's do it. TP1 hit. See if we can get the escape velocity, guys. Up $90. Just trying to ride that lazy river, man. Can we get up to these highs? Just sweep of the highs? We didn't sweep them. Can we sweep the highs? Or is it a fake out? Guys, this is I should just be taking full profits at this point. Another 90 bucks. Guys, base hits all day. All day long. Shout out to Trades by Matt. The best trader in crypto YouTube, in my opinion. But you tell me. You tell me. Base hits all day long, every day. Hey, hey, hey. Cheeky top blast. Well, we had NASDAQ ripping, SPY ripping. We had a wick test back down into here, which is a trade setup I take quite often. Looking for continuation. Right? Order block retest. Up only trading strategy. We got long in here. We took it TP here, and then it came back and stopped me out. So, valid trade setup. The trade setup would have been like this. Discord knows. And you target 3 to 1 here. I don't know if the Discord took this, but this is the setup. The Discord knows the up-only trading rules. I just got stopped out because I de-risk the environment that we're trading in. That's all. Well, the DAC is ripping. The SPY is ripping. Can we get a reversal? Inverse Bart Simpson. Looking to come back up. Fake out. Nice sweep and go for the SPY. Solana. Continuation trade. Into VWAP. We got a open range breakout. Okay. A nice orb today, guys. Holy smokes. Look at this. Look at the bloody size of it, mate. It's huge. It's absolutely huge, mate. It's a big ass orb. How does the up only trading rules work, guys? Look at this. Go, go, go. Go, 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 Solana. Ask the Discord. Join the Discord. You'll learn how to take trades like this. Beautiful. Nice break. See if we can get above VWAP and hold. This is looking strong, guys. Breakout retest. Resistance up here at 63.9. Let's call it 64,000. Trying to get them above orb and VWAP right now. This could be turbulent. So like now that we've pushed here, we could just stay here and then go. Or sweep and go. So this is danger zone now, in my opinion. And look at Solana taking that liquidity out of the highs. Great job. That was the target. Guess what we did? We just took the liquidity right out of the highs here. Beautiful. Right? That's why you always target liquidity. Right? If it wants to keep going, cool. But you know where you're trying to get to. The next one, well, it's this guy. This guy's up, right? This guy's our next target. Then it's this guy. And then it's this guy. Right? Keep it simple, guys. Nice push here. Congratulations on the longs. Let me know. One's in the chat for the longs, man. Everyone adding Alex in the Discord during his vacation is going to get timed out. That's it, man. Thank you, Doe. God bless you, man. Let's go. Longs in the chat. Gang, gang, gang. Let's go. Let's go, man. I love seeing you guys win. Ray Orb is in. This is such a video game. Yeah, it is wild. Have you seen my baseball? I long the bottom. Not sure why. Let's go. Fuck yeah. That's awesome, man. Congrats. Well, I mean, NASDAQ telling the story, SPY telling the story, right? Pretty obvious. Turbulent here, though. Turbulent. You've moved up. You've created a bunch of orders in here. You've enticed buyers. Your best job as a market maker is to put this thing sideways, sweep, and then bounce. That's what I'd be looking for. No trades though. Happy days, man. Happy days. $600 on the day. Try not to give it back, right? We're going into the Discord right after this for the vacation stream. See if we want to follow through here. We're looking to come right here for SPY. This is where we're looking to come. And then NASDAQ, we're looking to come here. Yeah, not bad. At least we knew they were coming down for the NASDAQ initially, which was good. Damn, it would have been nice to hold that Solana long from down here. Hey, guys, holy smokes, we'd be rich. Can't think like that. Can't think like that. It's gonna hurt your feelings. We did say, though, in the Discord, we said that the Solana low could be in, right? I mean, this is when we said it. So, I mean, we know this is the pink box on Solana. Look at it work its magic, right? Magical pink box. Anytime you tapped this pink box, you made money if you got long on it. Every time. The only pink box that actually pays you, makes you feel good all the time. If you want more pink boxes, join the Discord. There's your advertisement, man. There's your advertisement. Isn't the pink box like a donut store or something like that? In the States? Let's go, Biddy. Let's go, Biddy. It's alive. It's alive. Not into our major resistance yet. Beautiful push here, guys. Hey, Alex, say hi. Bye. Thank you, Bearded Mac. God bless you. Orb and VWAP's all you need. It's true, Django. State of the Union tonight is scary. Is that 9 p.m., I think? Look at all you guys long in here. Everybody's pre-rich. Good job. Don't forget to pay yourselves, guys. They will rug you. If you haven't learned that in the last SPY's cooling down, NASDAQ cooling down, I think they're trapping longs now. That's my opinion. Like, I mean, look at us in crypto. We get like freaking orgasmic over a little push like this, but then we've been like getting rugged all fucking. Sorry for swearing. I was doing so good, man. Then I just started getting mouthy again. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you for subscribing, supporting the channel. Good times. Good times. I expect a little pullback consolidation here now. Bitcoin order block retest. This is where you're looking for potential to hold. Ooh, that's not a pink box. That's a buy box. However, I do like the fair value gap down here. I like this guy better, to be honest. This little guy down in here. Going like a 5 minute, 8 minute, 8 minute. No. There's a mini one in here, 8 minute. Let's see. Let's see. Nice push. Solana VWAP retest, continuation up potentially. I just don't like how the NASDAQ has been stalling out here. And there it is. And there it is. Caution. Caution, caution, caution. Key level resistance, slap and dump. Bitcoin. Failed or breakout is typically bearish, guys. Failed or breakout is typically bearish. Especially if the NASDAQ and the SPY are rolling over with it. Right? Retest the previous highs here on our NASDAQ. US 100. Yeah, this is sloppy. Aggressive moves through VWAPs, typically bearish. If we close back within the orb, we're getting short. Can we break down here or no? Exhaustion, exhaustion. Bitcoin short into these lows, potentially. Depends on this candle. Front run candle option. Yep, let's go. Let's go. Push. Back down. Five seconds on the candle. Battling VWAP here. Rotation down. NASDAQ. Trying to hold. Bitcoin. Ugly candle. Needs to come here now. Oh, man. Just missed that. Are you kidding me? Thank you, sir. This is only a quarter position size, guys. I ain't getting too excited here. Okay, target fair value gap. Go be free. Everybody trying to buy you up on this order block. Come on, that's not where the target is. Might come and stop me out, which is fine, but I mean, target's here. 63.84. Target's right here. Stopped out. Pretty much a break-even trade here. Retest the previous highs. I mean, generally it would look like this. I'm just not trying to don't want to give it back, guys. Don't want to give it back. That's for damn sure. VWAP retest, continuation down. There's your slap and go, slap and dump. That was a perfect slap and dump. See, you'd already be paid on that one. Slap and dump. Perfect slap and dump. Congratulations on your slap and dump VWAP trade. Target, fair value gap down below. Take profit 1, liquidity of the lows. Very little risk. Just above orb. So easy, man. So easy. Put a 2 in the chat if you shorted that. Or shorted. Nasdaq just showing weakness, right? Nasdaq showing weakness. A little pushback now. Okay, potential for pushback. V-shaped recovery on the Nasdaq. Could lead to a pushback. I'd be exiting shorts now. I'd be exiting shorts. See if it can reclaim VWAP and orb, right? We said it was going to chop up here, so it's going to do something. But if we can reclaim and go, sweet. Resistance. We can look to trade it back into resistance. If we fail, we can rotate back down to the lower orb. Fair value gap target. Keeping it simple, man. I love you too, Dylan. Do I ever look at fear and greed or other dominances? I'll look at USDT and Bitcoin dominance occasionally for macro, but fear and greed is whatever, man. Sentiment is sentiment. We all know it's full of everybody's puckered, right? Right? Everybody's puckered. V-shaped recovery on Nasdaq, potential push up here. SPY still rolling over. Interesting. Interesting. No trade now. Just waiting. We'll go into the Discord after this. We got buyers still trying to step up here. It's just chopping. Solana's just chopping at VWAP. Indecision as well. We don't have as much shorts building in here. No. That's a good fake out though. Liquidity grab continuation down for Solana. Solana's showing a lot of weakness today. Especially this morning. Yeah. It depends on if the Nasdaq here. If the Nasdaq can put in a higher high and reclaim here, then we get bullish again. If not, Chop, solidation, continuation down. Right? That's it. Don't complicate it. Go on the 3 minute. You can see buyers stepping up here to bid up price. This is just general range. No sign of strength here. SPY, no sign of strength here. So they faked out everybody with the head and shoulders in the morning. Now they're faking out everybody with the sweep and the order block liquidity tap in here. And guess where they're going? If they're going to go down, this is where they go. They've grabbed the order block here, which is perfect. And it's typically the 50% on SPY. Look at that. It's not normally the golden pocket. Golden pocket's more for Bitcoin. 50% level is more for the S&P. If you didn't know, now you do. Trying to reclaim orb here. Order block tap, continuation up, reclaim orb, trying to push above the highs here. Still got liquidity to sweep. Just chop solidation here. Whenever you got like this bullish flag push, right? Whenever you get like this flag and you push out and then you consolidate, what you're looking for is the one sweep. This guy, bam, right? You're looking for that one sweep, higher low, and then rotation up. That's the one you're looking to long. Not in here. You're not looking to get chopped up. You got to let it tell you what it's wanting to do. Is it going to sweep liquidity? Is it going to push in here and then go boop and go? Get long here off of a good candle pattern, right? Otherwise, you don't trade this. We tried to take the VWAP, aggressive moves through VWAP, dump back down into fair value gap. We paid ourselves quickly. Got stopped out in profit, which is fine. I'm happy with that trade. You can go on the 1 minute here. What do you see? You see indecision both ways. Wick and wick. Sideways. Okay? It doesn't know where it wants to go, so we wait. Right? Shorts, longs, chop. We don't trade the chop. We want to look to buy low and sell high, even in here. We got a little order block down here. We got a fair value gap right here. I'm looking for potential longs in here. Not up here. Only way I'm looking for longs up top here is if we push out. NASDAQ's going up. We hold the low and we go. This needs to occur before I take the long. Chop. Very choppy. I don't know if did Reaper win the membership? He did. Welcome, Reaper, to the family. I got to give you a membership. We'll do that right now. Congratulations. Welcome to the family. Hopefully we can help you on your journey. I would suggest just getting through those videos, man. You got 150 videos. Where's my calendar? What the there's my calendar. What day is it today? Today is the 24th. So you got till March 24th to get as much info as you can. And then you're just going to be like, I might as well just join these guys. I've been spoon-fed so well. Reaper 690. Membership is over. All right. You've been marked in the calendar. Welcome to the family. There you go. You're in, buddy. Magic. Who would have thought? Nice push up here for Biddy. Reclaiming orb. Aggressive candle. Chop. Chop, chop, chop. It's been a fun stream today. Been a very fun stream today. Where's my stream? Did I close my studio? I think I closed my studio. We're still live, yeah. I closed my studio. That's not good. How many people we got in here? Too many. 400, 500, 250 likes. Continuation up here. Push Bitcoin. Hope you and the family have a great vacation. God bless you. Thank you. Django's the Wyckoff master, man. All these beautiful people in here. Thank you for being here and hanging out. Good push. Very good push. NASDAQ? What's the NASDAQ doing, right? NASDAQ's reclaimed. NASDAQ's reclaimed. It's continuing upwards. SPY, same deal. So don't fade it. Now we're looking for what? Like we talked about. It's got to push. Now we're waiting for the retest. And we're also watching for the SFP. Short. Right? Magic. It's all magic. It's magic internet money. You're here for it. I'm here for it. Guys, it's been a pleasure. I'm out. No more live streams for me, man. Maybe we just don't live stream anymore. Maybe we just hang out in the Discord and trade for forever. I don't know. We'll see. God bless you guys. Thank you guys so much for supporting this channel. I will miss you guys, but I need a vacation. That's for damn sure. Thank you guys so much for being here. I will see you guys when I get back. Look out for the bat signal. Maybe follow me on Twitter if you're not getting notifications. God bless you. I will see you guys later. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result